Hello friends, now I am showing how to deactivate a messenger account. When it deactivates, you can always go and reactivate it at any point. You can go to the top left and click on the three lines, and go the top right and click on the gear or cog icon. And this will open up your settings. Scroll to the bottom until you see Account Center and click on See More in Account Center in Account Settings. You need to go and click on Personal Details. Like so, then come down Personal Details and you will see the option Account Ownership and Control. Then click on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the account we are doing this with. Of course, it is our Facebook account as the Messenger is a part of that. So you will be deactivating your entire Facebook account. Select it and click Continue. Then it's just going to show you the pages which also will be and enter in your password. You need to go and give a reason and you can press continue at the bottom. It may go and give you a short answer to that reason. And then just make sure you need through here. You can choose if you want to continue using Messenger. Of course, we don't, as we are deactivating that. And all you need to do, click on the deactivate my account, and that's it. It will then say it's deactivate. Thanks for watching.